TCL C6K versus Sony Bravia 3. Which smart TV is best for you? Two budget-friendly 4K smart TVs are competing hard this year. The TCL C6K and the Sony Bravia 3. Which one is a better buy for you? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. First, the TCL C6K. This TV packs a QD mini LED panel with impressive brightness and vivid colors, making it great for movies and sports. It has excellent value for money, bright HDR performance, smooth motion handling for gaming. However, it's not as premium in build quality, and upscaling lower quality content isn't as strong. On the other side, Sony Bravia 3 is all about image processing. Powered by Sony's X1 processor, it delivers cleaner upscaling, more natural colors, and strong motion control. It has fantastic upscaling, accurate color production, and trusted Sony reliability. However, it's generally more expensive. Brightness and HDR punch aren't as strong as TCL's mini LED. So here's the quick breakdown. TCL C6K for brighter picture, better HDR, great for gaming, and budget friendly. Sony Bravia 3 has superior processing, more accurate colors, and better for mixed content viewing, but at a higher cost. If you want a TV that delivers stunning HDR and gaming performance at a lower price, the TCL C6K is the winner. But if you care more about natural picture quality and premium processing, the Sony Bravia 3 is the smarter choice. So which one fits your living room? The TCL or Sony? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.